Mastering Collaboration, the art of collab videos, explained. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the exciting world of collab videos. If you're curious about what it means to create a collab video or you're looking to participate in one, you're in the right place. Let's unpack this concept and learn how it's a great tool for networking, sharing skills, and reaching new audiences. A collab video is short for a collaboration video. It's when two or more content creators come together to work on a single video project. This partnership is a creative strategy to combine different perspectives, skills, and audience bases. It's about teamwork, mutual benefit, and sharing the spotlight. Collab videos offer a wealth of benefits. They allow creators to expand their reach by tapping into each other's audiences, exchange ideas and learn from one another, cross-promote content across different channels, build relationships within the creator community. To ensure a successful collab, planning is key. Here's what you need to do. Choose the right partner whose content aligns with yours. Decide on a topic that interests both audiences. Outline the video structure and distribute tasks. Set clear communication channels and deadlines. When it's time to execute, keep these points in mind. Respect each other's creative process. Stay open to new ideas and feedback. Promote the video on all participating creators' platforms. Engage with the audience after the release. And that's a wrap on collab videos. Remember, it's not just about growing your channel, it's about building a community and learning from fellow creators. We hope you found this guide useful and feel inspired to try out a collab video soon. Happy collaborating!